Welcome to this video. In this video, we will briefly walk through two essential security concepts in EMQX Cloud: authentication and authorization. These mechanisms help control who can connect to your deployment and what actions they are allowed to perform. Let's get started. Authentication is about verifying a client's identity before allowing them to connect. In EMQX, clients typically authenticate using a username and password, and this prevents unauthorized access. EMQX supports various authentication methods depending on your deployment type, serverless or dedicated. Serverless supports basic password and certificate-based authentication. Dedicated deployments support additional methods like JWT and database backend authentication for more complex use cases. Here are the four authentication methods supported. Password authentication, the most common method. Clients authenticate using pre-configured usernames and passwords stored securely. Extended authentication connects to external sources like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Redis, or HTTP APIs for password verification. JWT authentication, clients present a signed token instead of password. EMQX checks the token using a secret key and a public key, great for large-scale stateless authentication. X509 certificate authentication. This uses TLS SSL certificates for strong identity verification, supporting both one-way and two-way authentication. Once a client is authenticated, authorization controls what they are allowed to do, specifically which topics they can publish or subscribe to. Each rule defines whether a client is allowed or denied access to specific topics based on their client ID, username, or IP address, and includes actions like publish, subscribe, or both. EMQX supports two authorization modes. Default authorization uses rules stored in the built-in database, ideal for quick setups. Extended authorization. For more flexible scenarios, you can connect to external systems like MySQL, Redis, or HTTP services for fetch and apply authorization rules dynamically. Thank you for watching the video. That's a quick overview for authentication and authorization in EMQX Cloud. These settings are critical for keeping your deployment secure.